Hello, everybody. My mom bought me this Stitch costume, and it's so warm and cute.
What color is
I
it?
feel like blue. It's blue. I feel like I can sniff it.
Yummy.
So what we're gonna do is just draw a bird like this. So get paper, get your pens, as we are gonna draw some birds that are blue. So you first start with the legs. So we're gonna do the other leg. Is we're gonna do is draw his wings. We're done. So what we need to
what
do?
About his head?
We need his head and his nose that cut trees.
What is the nose called on a bird?
Pointer. That cuts trees like this. Beep, 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 beep.
It's called a beak.
Yeah, it's called a beak. So they can like crush trees like this. Beep, 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 beep. So what we're gonna do is just draw his head. Like that. And then we need like that, and then we need his nose. That's his head.
His pointy nose. Ooh, he's got nostrils.
No, this is his nose.
Okay.
This is his eyes and his nose. So there we go. A blue bird.
That's great. Do we want to try writing blue with our stencil?
Yeah. Let's try.
Where's the B?
B.
B.
B. B.
B.
B.